my fellow viewers, welcome to MR.Wanyoike, the learning digital platform. In front of you is MR.Wanyoike, ready to present you a topic on mathematics, a continuation actually. We are continuing with the probability, and in today's lesson, I'm going to focus on lesson number 5, having this question, and the question reads, a contract applies for two contracts, contract A and contract B. The contract A is building a school workshop, and the contract B is building a school library. The probability of getting contract A is 0.6, and the probability of getting contract B depends on whether or not A is obtained, and is 0.7 if A is obtained, but only 0.4 if A is not obtained. What is the probability of getting at least one contract? So this contractor, what is the probability of this contractor getting one of the contract? And therefore, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to start with the tree diagram as far as getting contract A is concerned and not getting contract A is concerned. So you start with contract A. Contract A. So the contractor might get or might fail. So there is getting, failing, and you can see that the probability of getting is 0.6. So 0.6 is equivalent to 6 over 10. What about the other one? The other one should be 1 minus 6 over 10. You are supposed to get 4 over 10. You are supposed to get 4 over 10. What about contract B? Contract B. So the contract B depends on whether A obtained or not. So there is also getting and also failing. Getting and also failing. And therefore here the outcome is both of them getting. Here contract A getting and contract B failing to get. Then contract A failing, contract B getting. Here contract both of them fails. Both of them fails. These are outcomes. So I can write outcomes. So what about the probability of B? And the probability of B is well written here. It is stated that and A is obtained and is 0.7. That is as far as A is as far as A is and is 0.7 is if the probability of obtaining B is 0.7 if A is obtained. And therefore, this is supposed to be 0.7 is equivalent to 7 over 10 if A is obtained. Meaning that the other one here should be 3 over 10. What about if A is not obtained? If A is not obtained, the probability is 0.4. And therefore, getting B is 0.4 or 4 over 10. And what about the failing? If A fails, also B will fail. The probability of B failing is 6 over 10 because these two branches are supposed to give you 1. And therefore 1 minus 4 over 10, you will get the probability of failing. And also 1 minus the probability of 7 over 10, that is 7 over 10, you will get 3 over 10. And every two branch, you will get the total probability being 1. And therefore, if we come back to our question, the question is getting at least one contract. So at least one contract, it means that here, that is an answer, this is also an answer, this is also an answer, the answer because at least one means that one of the contract, one of the contract is obtained. He either gets two contracts, both of them, or one of them. And therefore, the probability of at least one contract is given by the probability of both of them, that is getting both of them, or the probability of getting the first one and failing in the second one, or the probability of failing the first one and getting the second one. And therefore, the probability of the first one should be 6 over 10. 6 over 10, you multiply by 7 over 10, then you add, the second one is 6 over 10, you multiply by 3 over 10. And lastly, you add to 4 over 10, the last one, 4 over 10, this one, 4 over 10, you multiply by 4 over 10. And therefore, these are the three possible outcomes. Therefore, this becomes 6, that is 42 over 100. The second one is 18 over 100. And the third one, you will get 16 over 100. And therefore, if I compute using a calculator, I'm going to use the calculator 42. I can put 42, you add to 18, then I add to 16, because the denominator is common, and therefore I may end up getting out of 100 everything. Of 100 you get 76, and 76, the answer, which is 76, I divide by 100. 100 will get 19. So the answer becomes 19 over 25. So as far as the answer is concerned, you can write 19 over 25. That is the answer as far as this question is concerned. So the probability of getting at least one contract, the answer becomes 19 out of 25. Your presenter was Mr. Wanyoike, mathematics teacher. For more information, you can reach me using this number, that is positive 254, that is the code for my country, followed by my number 724-901-639. So this is the number which you can use to reach me for more information. That is positive 254 followed by 724-901-639. I say again, the number is 254 followed by 724-901-639. Till next lesson, bye bye.